Hello guys, can I whisper something to your tympanic membrane? Over the years, the world has been digitally exploding. Hence, this has resulted in the exponential increase of the demand in technological gadgets by individuals, by companies, by businesses, in running their day-to-day routines, in running their day-to-day activities, in running their day-to-day management and operations. And here is it. That is why the Tech Hub is here for you. The Tech Hub is not just a name, it's an arm. It's a brand under a conglomerate called Danisin Group. We are here for one purpose: to help you take your business operation, take your management, to help you take your routines, your endeavors with eco-friendly top choice gadgets. And maybe you are someone that your work is a remote one and you wouldn't want Nigerian power to frustrate your life, and I wouldn't want that for my enemies. Maybe you need something like this to help you keep on track whenever the power system in Nigeria is frustrating you. You need it. Or maybe you need something higher than this. We got you covered. In fact, we are bringing up to you something, a gadget that can even power your system. Or maybe with content creator, you need something like this in order to up your game. Or maybe you need something as smart as this guy that I'm wearing on my neck, this headset. Or maybe a lover of music, you really need Zealot MP3 and etc. We are here for you. This time around, we are here to solve a problem, and that problem encompasses on how, where and what. How and where to get quality gadgets, and as well what kind of gadgets you need to use and take it. Or maybe you needed this kind of machine for your day-to-day business operations. We got you covered, right? All I need you to do is check out the username on this screen, check it out on Instagram. Make sure you follow me, because from time to time I'm going to be dishing out tech review lectures to discover what kind of gadgets you need for your day-to-day operations, for your day-to-day routines, for your day-to-day endeavors. And listen up, we are coming up with something huge. You wouldn't want to miss out on that, right? Okay, and whenever we bring up a stock and we are selling it to you, we are dribbling to your doorpost. At the same time, our packaging is top notch. We are not here for moonlight play. You can see it. We are prepared for you, right? I want you to stay tuned and connected for what is coming.